Hi, this is Matt from the MrpTech podcast, and this is a video review of Open Broadcaster software. To get Open Broadcasting Software, or OBS, you need to go to obsproject.com, and if you're running Windows, Mac, or Linux, you can use either of those choices. It comes in two different releases. OBS Studio, which is a newer release, is released August 8th, 2016. You can also get OBS Classic only on Windows. Once you've downloaded that and installed, you can open OBS, and you're going to get a very generic looking window. But what's great about OBS is that you can build many different scenes for video production or video editing. So for an example, what I have done is I actually have made a collection of scenes, and I use this, we'll start using this for the MrpTech reviews on my YouTube channel. So I go up to Scene Collection and select the scene that I've already created. And you'll notice that there are areas where I have made my own scenes here, and I have made some adjustments, creating my own background, putting in my own video feeds to this particular scene. And so with this, what I have done is I have set up the way that I like it. So over here, I've got a full screen of me with video. I've got my MrpTech reviews background. And if you look here, I've got a setup for Chrome. And under here, you see the sources. Now, it's already picking up my HD webcam. And if I go to Window Capture and I right-click and go to Properties, I can I can put whatever browser that I want to be seen here. This is something that I made. And let's say if I wanted to show another view from Google, what I'm going to do is just show the background for the Google homepage. And if I wanted to do this, it's going to show up with Google in my background, and I can view what's being seen in that particular window. The next thing that I have set up is a desktop mirror. This is going to get kind of trippy with the video camera. And basically, I can mirror anything that's on my desktop. And I also have a second monitor hooked up. So if I wanted to open something like VLC and I wanted to show it on my second monitor, I could have that ready to go and play a video and talk about the video as I'm going through a tutorial. And even if I have a Skype call, I can set up so that I have another video feed. Say I want to do some interviews or that type of thing. It's a very powerful tool. There's all sorts of different things that you can do with OBS to make video production much more professional looking. You have various microphone settings that were automatically detected. It's picking up my microphone as I talk. If you go into the settings, you can also get much more information and much more picky about the settings that you set for OBS. So you can set a high bit rate, you can set a high audio bit rate, you can manage more audio samples, you can adjust the sample rate, you can set your channels to stereo, you can adjust the video resolution. I always set it as high as we can possibly manage. You can set hotkeys for starting and stopping recordings. You can even stream with OBS. You can stream to lots of services like Twitch and YouTube, Dailymotion, and Facebook Live, all those different services. And it's a very powerful tool to use if you're ever doing video production. You can set scene transitions. There's a few of them right now, cut and fade. There will be more being added as time goes on. You can even add swipe, slide, or fade to color. There's even a studio mode where you can pre-set up what you want your shot to look like before you make it go live. So I thought that was interesting. And as I mentioned, it's very simple, but at the same time, you can make it as professional looking as you want. So that's my look at OBS. I hope you take a look at it and maybe you can find it useful for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.